how HubSpot can actually identify weaknesses in the buyer journey. Tell me what that looks like. What type of data points do you see, or how can you identify those weaknesses?
Well, again, as Tyler mentioned, you can identify, you can set up campaign funnels, you can set up visualized reports that show you what are your conversions at every single level. And you can do this a couple of different ways. One is you can track a particular campaign, and you can literally just go column by column and watch as people march through this, and you can see what your conversion percentages are and what the drop-offs are. You know, and you see how many of your contacts become leads, how many of your leads go to marketing qualified leads, how many of your marketing qualified leads go to sales qualified leads, and so forth. So it provides you some very good options for tracking all of that, and you can also then further provide assign attributes and properties to contacts and customers, so you can start to do some analysis over which ones are actually moving forward and which ones aren't. And that's particularly powerful when you combine it with a tool like Google Analytics, which knows everything about what's going on your website. So it's that combination of things that allows you to follow somebody through their journey from essentially unknown visitor to lead to customer.
Yeah, and I think it's worth noting on the sales end of the cycle that, of course, HubSpot's a CRM, so it allows you to see where deals might be falling off or not converting at a certain stage of the sales cycle. So that's important too.